Hello and welcome to Blender. If you click on this video, it's probably because you want to figure out how to get this working on this to go blah blah and have it update like that. You make a mess, right? Let's make it super weird and complicated for no reason. Let's go to vertices. Bam. We go like that. We control R. Control R allows you to create a subdivision wherever. That is a good note. Yeah. So you have this weird geometry now, right? And you want to add a texture to it. You want to make it look super cool, right? Don't just make a texture in general. What you want to do is you want to open up your Blender, make sure you have it open, and then look on the side, on the right hand side over here. You have a bunch of different property panels. With that you want to choose the material properties, right? Ba-bam. And then from there, you want to make a new texture. Now there are a bunch of different textures. Frankly, I don't know what they all mean. What I do know is how to make a texture. I'm going to tune BDSF. BDSM. Just go to texture. What you want to do, magic button right here, image texture. And click new. And you can title it Hooliganation. I don't know if I wrote that right. But then boom. Now you have this texture right here, right? You can open up the Hooliganation and you can do things all over. But you might notice that they're a little skewed over here, right? Like I drew like a perfect circle right here. But here it looks super elongated. Like many other things. So what you want to do to fix that, if you'd like to fix it, if you don't want to fix that and this is like an art study for you, you can stop right here. I don't know why you'd be watching this tutorial. You go into edit mode, right? You're in the face selection. You go to UV, unwrap faces, go to smart UV project. You can have all these if you want. The angle limit, I'm pretty sure. These, I actually don't know, so you can mess around with that. Best way to learn. Have all these settings, I think. Correct aspect. But yeah, then that left me with this perfect image. It could be a little more precise, but you know, on good fun. So yeah, basic texturing tutorial done. Oh wait, we have to go back to the image. So we downloaded an image, right? Very legal to use image. Ba-bam. Bring it in. And ba-bam. Ba-bam. And now we have this super cool texture. And you can do a whole lot more with the shading stuff. You can add mix shaders, add Mr. shaders, do anything you want. But yeah, that is just a simple texturing tutorial. Also HDRIs, they're pretty busting. Run down before then, go to world, surface, background, color, environment, texture, download an HDRI, and then open, do, ba-bam. And you're done. See you.